Hello friend, my name Andy Wing and today I got to talk to you about the two switches. One here is called the alpaca. This is the alpaca. This here, the moth. First the alpaca, now the moth. First an animal, now a color that I can't pronounce. They're supposed to be different. They tell me the alpaca, this one is the polycarbonate top and the nylon bottom, okay? And this one, they say it's different, very different. All they say is it's full nylon. That's what the product description say. From the Cannonkeys and the Project Keyboard, everyone tell me, no, it's different. It's gonna be more better. It's gonna be deeper. Deeper how? So I said, screw it, I'll buy it. In mechanical keyboard, you get so hyped you buy. You just go, take my money. I got too busy. I asked my friend Leo, hey Leo, help me out. Can you loop for me? He told me he do the light layer to get it talky and deep. I said, sure, whatever. And then we put it in, it sounds kinda the same. I'm like, oh, shit, they lied to me. But I put it up and I tell you guys, the moth more better is different. But in the back of my head, I think maybe they're the same thing. I don't know. Between you and me, I think they're the same thing. So basically the moth from the last video, the loop is very thin. You can barely see, extremely light. For the alpaca, there's factory loop and it's pretty good. You can even use it stock, no problem. But the moth, there's only a little bit of loop on the spring. The stem is clean. So if you don't put loop on that, it's gonna change the sound a lot. I did not know, I did not check. So because of it, the sound test of the moth, very clacky, very loud. Kinda hurt my ear a bit, but I knew something was wrong. So I asked him, can we lube it again? And while he was doing that, I asked the smartest people I know. You know what they say? They said it's the same thing. Those crazy guys, know what they did? They put it on fire. They went, and they melted it. Crazy. It melted the same. If it melted the same, it must be the same. You know, like the witches, you burn them to see if they real or not. And now when I hear the test, I think, oh my God, it's the same sweat. I've been lying to people. They've been lying to me. I spread the wrong fact. I'm so sorry, friend. But beyond all that, you should listen to the sound test for yourself. Judge for yourself if this sounds the same as the alpaca or not. Believe me, I say today, ending wing, that it is the same thing. My friend do too. They're much smarter than me. Listen to it, it'd be good. Okay, bye.